behind the line. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Autonomous on the way in 26-14, the Mars Robotics. Marvin easily placing a cone on that top row and coming right back and placing a couple of cubes for the Red Alliance. As for the blue, we get one engaged up on the charging station. Red does the same. So a very tight match as we move into the teleop. Just 3 points separating the two teams. Flagship Dreadnought hard into the sidewall, starting to turn things around, get ready to place a purple cube, and thinks about it, won't go on the pole, possibly into the top row. Meanwhile, on the Blue Alliance, we're looking at things going across, coming out of the loading dock and flying across the midline. It's Respawn Robotics in Big Blue. Comes up, picks up the cone, going for number 3, it goes. Falls down for that's good for a total of 5 points there for placing that cone on the top row. Red Alliance and the Girls of Steel out on the midline get clobbered by 325, and that is Respawn Robotics in Big Blue. So it's Blossom and Big Blue that are going after each other on the midline. .325, Big Blue able to place another cone. Meanwhile, the Red Alliance lining up for a couple out of their loading zone. That cube falls out for Marvin. Want to go back, try to pick up something different. Looks like some technical issues in the middle of the field now for the Blue Alliance. We'll sort that out shortly as we come up on the final 40 seconds of our qualifying match. Big Blue places another cone. It's going to be taken off for the loading zone. No, not. Going to pick up a purple cube and try to place that before we get to the end game. So Marvin having some trouble getting up onto the charging station. Maybe a little help from Flagship. And then does it, balancing back and forth. Blue Alliance going in, and the Red Alliance balances for 2. We've still got some time left to see if the Blue Alliance is going to try to make it up onto the charging station. Going to go for the points instead, and that is our match. The win, 91-65. Charge station helping out with the Red Alliance with 32 points. They also picked up on almost an even match between the two alliances on the grid.